complexometric titrations. Complexometric titrations. Complexometric titrations are those titrations in which initially involving of the complexing reagent. The complexing reagent can be involved, that is called EDTA, is a well-known compound. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Diamine tetraacetic acid, which one is a complexing reagent, in which those EDTA, which one is interacted with a number of metal ions to form as metal EDTA complex, in which EDTA, which one is associated with metal to form metal EDTA. The EDTA further classified into EDTA titrations are further classified into 4 types. First one is direct titrations. Direct titrations. Next, indirect titrations. Substitution titrations. Alcheometric titrations. Alcheometric titrations. Direct titration means in which the metal which one is interacted with EDTA by using of the indicator, that means metal indicators, namely called as the indicators namely called as first one EB indicator, that means area from black T. Second one, in case of fast, sulfone black F. Sulfone black F. Third one, uroxide indicator. These 3 indicators particularly employed in complexometric titrations. These are called as metal ion indicators, particularly used in complexometric titrations. In direct titrations, the metal directly interacted with EDTA in the presence of buffer solution. The rule of buffer solution means it maintains the pH by adding of erichrome black tea, which one is also called as solochrome black tea. It can be prepared by using of the EBT dyestuff, erichrome black tea dyestuff can be dissolved in case of triethanol amine. Triethanol amine, it can be prepared by using of EBT indicator. The titration can be carried out by using of this indicator. The direct titration particularly carried out. Now, number of metal ions, particularly zinc, magnesium, calcium, those metal ions which one is interacted with the EDTA directly to form as metal EDTA complex, take the particular solution, which one by adding of buffer solution to maintain the pH by adding of EBT indicator, then titrate it with the standard EDTA to form as wine red solution changes into what? Wine red to blue color. That is the end point of the direct titration. Next, in case of second one goes to that is called indirect titration. Some of the metal ions, just like iron, aluminum, nickel, cobalt, etc. Those metal ions does not directly determine, though it can be proceeded by using of indirect method, in which the process of the particular metal ions like that iron, aluminum and nickel and cobalt, etc., in which the metal interacted with indicator to form as metal indicator complex. Which one is more stable than metal EDTA complex. So such type of titrations, such type of metal ion cannot be determined directly. So it can be proceeded by indirect titration. Indirect titration means those metal directly does not interact with the metal EDTA. The metal which one is interacted with indicator to found as metal indicator complex, which one is more stable than metal EDTA. That is called as indirect titration. Next, third category belongs to substitution. What is meant by substitution? Substitution is nothing but replacing of one of the metal ion by another metal ion. In which process, for example, the formation of the metal which one is interacting with iron to form as metal, that means iron which one is interacting with EDTA iron ATA complex is formed, in which by adding of buffer solution and excessive by adding of, that is called as a suitable metal ion, that is called as zinc solution, which one is added to the mixture of iron ATA solution. In case of iron, which one is easily replaced by the zinc solution. It can be formation of zinc ATA, that is called as substitution titration. Fourth category is called as Archimetric titration. Archimetric titration, in which process those metal which one is interacting with EDTA at the formation of metal EDTA, at the formation of metal EDTA, that is called as EDTA means it's like structure. This one EDTA, which one is interacting with EDTA, which one is interacting with that particularly metal ion. At the formation of metal EDTA, the hydrogen ions are liberated. The liberated hydrogen ions titrate with, that is called base, by using of acid base indicator. This particularly by using of Archimetric titrations. At the time of formation of liberation of hydrogen, ions can be determined by using of acid base indicator. That is called an Archimetric titration.